If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. 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 Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control.
Cleaning dishes is about to get a whole lot faster with this soap pump and sponge caddy from Aliexpress. All you have to do is fill it up with 13 ounces of your favorite dish soap, then use the included sponge to press down on the pump, which dispenses the perfect amount of dish soap up on the sponge. Forget the days of getting water all over your counter and keeping the soaking wet sponge left in the sink with the dirty dishes. This sink dispenser with attached caddy holds your sponge conveniently. A typical soap dispenser tends to be made of fragile material that easily breaks, rusts, and you can't even see how much soap is inside. You pump and pump the soap, and you have to use so much just to wash a few dishes. With Aliexpress soap dispenser, one simple push is all it takes to dispense the perfect amount of dish soap into your sponge, and the absorbed soap will be effective in washing all of your dishes in a clean and easy manner. This dishwashing dispenser will totally transform your kitchen life, as it is designed to wash dishes faster, and this quick and innovative method will save you time and money. Make one of life's most dreaded tasks much easier and faster with this soap pump and sponge caddy from Aliexpress today.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. 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 Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control.
Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
Welcome to MQP. We're bringing safety back with the magnetic cabinet lock designed to keep your drawers and cabinets on lockdown. Keep curious kids out of harm's way. This baby safety set includes 8 locks, 2 keys, plus 4 table corner guards and 4 socket covers. The ultimate package in baby-proofing your home. Once attached, it stays hidden. Just enable the lock and place the magnetic key within your easy reach for quick access. Easily install them in all areas of your home. No tools, screws, or drills necessary. It only takes 5 simple steps. Step 1. Check your surface space, thickness, and cleanliness. Step 2. Attach the latch at the top of the installation tool and the lock to the bottom of the installation tool. Step 3. Adhere. Remove the adhesive covering from the latch. Gently stick the latch onto your cabinet or drawer, leaving enough space for your magnetic key to open. Close the door. This will automatically take care of the placement for your locking piece. Step 4. Press. Step 5. Wait 24 hours before using. It's that easy to keep your kids and your home safe.
hidden dangers in your house make you worried. Shoda Smart Sterilizer and the Odorizer help you to keep clean. Small volume with a gum. 1 key startup installation by pasting. Full automatic smart design.